Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a beautiful digital printed design in a kalamkari pattern. A very flawless and beautiful digital prints done on hand woven soft silk sarees, Kanjivaram mulberry silk. You can see the beautiful pitchwai concept here on a lavender base color saree, pinkish lavender. The buttas are also there on the saree, which is woven, and we have printed very elegant pattern all over the saree as well with the pitchwai concept. It's very elegant, and the blouse piece, separate blouse piece is given in black. The whole saree we have this very elegant pattern, and the pallu of the saree here is in very elegant weaving, and it is in black base. The silks are already done, and the saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a very beautiful hand woven design with silver and golden zari design. The saree here is in beautiful digital printed concept in kalamkari. It is very beautiful, big monolithic printing. You can see the broad pattern, the Krishna. It's a very beautiful design. You can see all gods like Ganesha, Krishna and various other gods. And you can see the woven design with the golden and silver design heart. The combination border here is a very different color mixed with peach and blue. It's a beautiful greyish color. The same color is given for the pallu also and blouse piece also. The pallu is fully zari woven in copper and gold mixed color. A very different color saree. A beautiful piece, comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a very beautiful digital printed design with pitchwai and kalamkari patterns. Here we have a combination of pitchwai come the kalamkari. The saree actually is in peach shade. All over it has been given with blue shade also, so it gives a beautiful dual tone. You can see both peach as well as blue on the saree tone. And here the concept is very beautiful, fishes and pond pattern. Big fishes you can see along with the lotuses. It's an elegant pattern, and the dual tone of the saree is also perfect here with border in dark shade peach and blue combination. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is plain, otherwise the pallu is also in the same color with the deeds and the lotus given very elegantly. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a very elegant hand woven design, and we also have very beautiful digital prints on it in a kalamkari pattern. The traditional flawless kalamkari you can see here in the digital print version. The saree color here is a dual tone, orange mixed with pink, and you can see the very traditional and beautiful pen kalamkari pattern, beautifully digital printed here. The monolithic village style prints are here printed, and you can see the all over printed design pattern, culture design pattern with the combination of green borders in the bottom, and you can see the Saptaswarangal type butta. The pallu and the blouse of the saree here is in combination of green and orange, so it gives a light green shade. Excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a very beautiful digital printed concept sarees in a very elegant color combination. The sarees are hand woven and digital printed on it. The combination here is yellow with purple. The saree is yellow with a very beautiful peacock design concept along with the pitchwai concept digital printed. We also have borders in beautiful shade of brown and green mixed color, and the saree fully we have very elegant rangoli pattern buttas also. This is the beautiful saree body, and we have a contrast pallu and blouse piece in very elegant purple shade. And the complete woven design is done using copper zari, and the tassels are already pre-made. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, the beautiful hand woven zari woven design, and on it we have digital printed concept. Here kalamkari patterns are elegantly digital printed in a flawless pattern. The actual pen kalamkari designs are here digital printed. You can see the beautiful Radha Krishna pattern, beautiful pattern it is. All over we have work in the saree. Big monolithic pattern weaving, and you can see the butterflies here and there in the gold and silver color weaves. And we have a contrast Rani pink color pallu. The pallu is also very elegant with woven design in gold and silver. And we have pink color blouse piece again, pallu color. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree. A very beautiful kalamkari and pitchwai pattern digital printed saree beautiful pen kalamkari is flawlessly digital printed here on a beautiful bright orange color. Or on orange, the colors used are the shades of green, and it is very pretty. You can see the lotuses and the deers all over the saree, very beautifully printed with a thin border in the orange color base itself. The pallu is very beautiful, grand one. This is the body, all over the body the same design comes, and the pallu is also very grand with the story which comes in the pen kalamkari, and we have a printed blouse piece also, running blouse piece. Tassels are already made, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, the beautiful digital printed concept, very elegant kalamkari concept is digital printed here in a very different combination color. The saree color here is a shade of pink mixed with peach. The saree has buttas and rangoli pattern. On it we have digital printed design. You can see a big viriksha along with the monolithic story pattern, very elegantly like kalamkari it is being printed. We also have borders in dark color shade, brown shade, and the pallu of the saree here is in black with full weaving which is done using copper zari, and the same black color is given for the blouse also. Beautiful digital print which comes all over the saree in an elegant way, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a very elegant digital printed concept. The pen kalamkari patterns are here digital printed with a flawless design. Here we have a very beautiful god and goddesses pattern. You can see lot of monolithic work which you can see in the sculptures of temples, the Ganesha, and all over the saree we can see big monolithic printed portion with big designs. Completely the sculptures are here depicted, and border is also given in blue shade. The base color of the saree is in light yellow tinge cream color. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree with a very elegant thin striped border, hang-woven saree, and fully digital printed design. It's a kalamkari concept, very elegantly digital printed on a deep beetroot pink color. Saree has an excellent design. The pallu is also fully digital printed with the beautiful elephants. It's an elephant pattern, and you can see the bottom border which is also having beautiful elephants. All over the saree we have prints mildly on this beautiful beetroot pink color combination. Tassels are already made, and we have a running blouse piece which is also printed. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a beautiful hand woven soft silk with fully digital printed design. Kalamkari pattern is elegantly, flawlessly digital printed here. The saree here is in beautiful shade of yellow combined with green concept. Pichwai concept is here done. The pallu is here in a beautiful green shade mixed with yellow, and we have pichwai cows and the kalamkari pattern. And you can see the very elegant body. All over the body we have the big cows pattern and also the kalamkari pattern, elegantly digital printed, and we have pallu color blouse piece, a plain blouse piece. The tassels of the saree is already done. All over the same design comes, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, beautiful hand woven design in 1000 butta concept, and we have a very elegant digital printed design on it. A kalamkari pattern digital prints. Here we have yellow with peach combination, a very different and beautiful pastel shade combo. The saree have pichwai lotuses and the leaves, and we also have the puttas. Puttas are done using copper and silver zari, and we have a very elegant kalamkari peacock design running in the saree with borders. The borders are also in the peach, and we have the same peach color with all over zari woven pattern pallu. The whole body of the saree we have the peacock and the printed design, and the blouse piece is here in plain version pallu color. Tassels are already done, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, the very beautiful digital printed design. The pen kalamkari excellent patterns are here flawlessly digital printed on silk saree. A very elegant design here, famous and beautiful monolithic sculpture pattern, elegantly digital printed. The top portion of the saree is mildly printed with kalamkari design, and the bottom we have the goddess very elegantly printed. We also have borders. This is a combination of pink and purple color, and the pallu of the saree is also beautiful here with a printed blouse piece. The blouse piece is fully with beautiful prints in mild purple color base, and this is the blouse pallu. Pallu is also having peacocks and the kalamkari design. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree. A beautiful hand weaving and digital printed design. The kalamkari traditional pattern here is done flawlessly, digital printed. And the saree here is in beautiful shade of light olive green. And all over we have the very famous and beautiful pen kalamkari pattern is digital printed here. The ladies, you can see here, the pallu is also a very beautiful design, completely the sculpture, monolithic pattern which we see in pen kalamkari is here digital printed. The border of the saree is a copper zari border with running blouse. The blouse also have prints and the tassels are already done. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a very beautiful digital printed heavy work sarees here. An excellent bright yellow color combo. The saree is digital printed with a beautiful kalamkari design. The pallu of the saree here is in light green with the yellow tinge. Beautiful girls, ancient monolithic pattern, very elegantly hand painted. We can see the peacocks also here and there. The tassels are already done. And we have a contrast green color blouse piece also. The saree here is in mild and bright yellow, turmeric shade yellow with borders in green. All over the saree we have a very elegant hand kalamkari pattern digital piece. Beautiful saree, very different combo, comes with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, beautiful doll design weaving, and we have a very excellent digital prints on it. Kalamkari and Pichwai pattern, digital prints, beautifully done on the saree. Here we have a green base saree with a very elegant doll pattern. You can see a Barbie doll design, elegantly hand woven with the copper and golden zari mix. And the saree here is done in a Pichwai concept, which is very famous and trending now. The Kamadhenu as well as the whole lotuses and pattern is given here with a mild border in the shade of mustard. And we have a very bright and contrast Rani pink color pallu. The pallu is zari woven and the blouse piece is in pallu color plain. Beautiful saree in Pichwai and comes with authentic silk.